Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to delete all Instagram followers at once. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you have to open up iOS App Store on your iPhone and now just search for unfollow for Instagram plus, and you just have to install this application. And once you've done that guys, you just have to open it up and log in into your Instagram account on this application. So yeah, just click on X if you don't want to subscribe to premium, and then just click on followers, and here just click on select all and click on action, and you can remove, block, or do whatever you want with your followers. In this case, if you want to delete all of your followers, you will just click on remove. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.